Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing all loose paint and creases. This prevents future peeling. Use a plastic scraper, then sand the area with 220-320 grit until edges are smooth. Once done, clean with a wax and grease remover so primer bonds well. Let it dry fully. Make sure to mask surrounding panels and glass with tape and paper to protect them from overspray. You're now primed, literally and figuratively, to apply filler or primer, depending on how deep the damage is. You'll apply an adhesion-promoting primer first, because it chemically bonds to metal and plastic better than regular primer. Spray 2 light coats, flashing 5-10 minutes between. Once cured to tack-free, apply your color base coat matched to the OEM code. Use 3 light passes, overlapping each pass 50% to build even coverage without sagging. Make sure to follow manufacturer flash times between coats and avoid painting in high humidity or cold temperatures. Those conditions cause poor film formation and future peeling, so control environment when possible. You finish by applying a clear coat to seal and protect. Use 2 to 3 wet coats with consistent 6/8-inch gun distance and crosshatch technique for uniform gloss. Once fully cured, wet sand starting at 1,000 grit up to 2,000, then compound and polish to blend the repair into the panel. If you see runs or orange peel, don't panic. Let the clear fully harden, wet sand the defects smooth, then reapply targeted thin coats. Make sure to inspect edges for adhesion to confirm the repair holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.